Pros and cons of living in Colorado Springs can make or break your decision to move to this mountain city. People love the way the jagged mountains meet the sky, creating a landscape that feels like a painting. While the scenery is breathtaking, I found one specific downside about the growth that caught me off. I honestly did not expect the traffic to be this frustrating. It really makes me pause and rethink things. The quality of life here is high, with rankings frequently placing the city in the top happiness spots. When you look at the numbers, housing costs are roughly 5% above the national average here. Real estate markets are competitive, so saving for down payment is a mandatory step for new residents. When I first looked for a place, the demand for suburban homes with space was higher than I anticipated. Lifestyle options focus heavily on outdoor activity, with over 300 sunny days each year here. The weather is mostly mild, but the intense hailstorms in summer are something you need to prepare for. Safety statistics are mixed, with property crime rates often trending above the national average levels. Healthcare access is robust, with plenty of major medical facilities serving the entire region daily. Families will appreciate that the public schools are generally rated well compared to other districts. Future growth is constant, as more companies relocate here for the talented workforce and the climate. Imagine you want to buy groceries on a Tuesday. You must plan your route to avoid the main highway jams. This adds 20 minutes to your trip, a daily reality that commuters face in this growing mountain hub. That traffic frustration I mentioned earlier, it is the one thing that truly impacts my daily routine. I personally spent a weekend exploring the local parks, and the beauty really does balance the stress. The culture is a blend of military personnel and outdoor enthusiasts, creating a unique community feel. First, check the latest census data to understand the specific neighborhood growth in your target area. Second, visit during the summer months to see if the heat and the traffic flow fit your personal needs. Third, search for a home slightly outside the city center to save money while keeping access to nature. Data suggests that while costs rise, the access to public lands keeps the resident satisfaction high. Choosing a home is about finding that balance between the lifestyle you want and the reality of daily life. Take your time to consider if the mountains are worth the trade, because this city is exactly as it is.